Welcome to Crypto Predictor. You are joining us for a deep dive that represents an incredible amount of research and technical analysis. Today's episode is special as we've spent weeks gathering data for this. We put a massive effort into every video because we are on a relentless mission to find the best coins. The projects that aren't just following the market, but are building the actual infrastructure that the global economy will run on. We look for substance over hype. Today, we are looking at a project that has quietly spent years perfecting the art of decentralized development. This is ArcBlock, powered by the ABT token. It's a name you need to know if you're serious about the future of Web3. This isn't just another Layer 1 or Layer 2. It is a complete, full-stack ecosystem designed to make building decentralized applications as easy as building a standard website. They are effectively democratizing blockchain development for everyone. We are moving away from the era of fragmented blockchains where everything is isolated and stepping into the era of the universal Web3 engine. A world where connectivity is the default. Before we explore the Blocklet revolution and reveal the specific AI-driven price target that our models have flagged for the height of the next bull run, make sure to subscribe to support the channel. Your support is the fuel that allows us to keep digging through the technical white papers to find these foundational gems. Hit that bell icon to stay updated. Disclaimer: the following content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or trading advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and you should always conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. Your capital is at risk. What is ArcBlock? ArcBlock is a comprehensive blockchain platform and developer ecosystem that aims to remove the barriers to dApp adoption. It's about bridging the gap between complexity and usability. Launched with the vision of Blockchain 3.0, it focuses on simplifying the development process so companies can actually use this technology in the real world. It's not just for techies anymore, it's for businesses. Let's look at the key pillars of the ArcBlock ecosystem. First, the Blocklet framework. This is the project's secret weapon, the core of their entire technical philosophy. Blocklets are reusable, modular software components that allow developers to build and deploy dApps in minutes rather than months. Think of them as the microservices of the blockchain world. They make development incredibly efficient. Next is the AGNI framework. In the current market, AI is king, and ArcBlock knows it. ArcBlock's AGNI framework allows developers to build and deploy fully autonomous AI agents with ease. These agents can hold assets, run smart contracts, and manage decentralized identities with no human oversight. This opens up entirely new possibilities for automated finance and decentralized services. Then there is quantum-safe security. As we look toward the future, security is a major concern. ArcBlock has implemented SHA-35112 encryption, making its network one of the most secure in the space. This makes its network one of the few that are ready to fend off emerging quantum computing threats. They are thinking decades ahead, not just years. This is true long-term infrastructure. Finally, the Open Chain Access Protocol, or OCAP. This protocol allows ArcBlock to connect with various other blockchains, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's the glue that holds the Web3 world together. This enables true interoperability where data and value can flow freely across different networks. No more silos, just one open, connected financial ecosystem. Now, why are our AI models focusing on ArcBlock right now? It's because the narrative in the bull run is shifting toward real-world utility and developer onboarding. The hype cycle is maturing into a build cycle. We've spent years building the base layers. Now the market wants to see the actual applications. ArcBlock has spent its time building the Blocklet store, which is where the real growth is happening. This is essentially an app store for decentralized components. As thousands of developers look for ways to integrate AI and decentralized identity into their businesses, ArcBlock provides the easiest, most secure path to do it. It's the frictionless choice. The project is no longer just a concept. It is a working factory for the new web. The recent focus on made-in-USA infrastructure has also positioned ABT as a favorite for institutional players who value compliance. These players require the highest levels of compliance and long-term data protection, which ArcBlock's quantum-resistant security and regulatory-friendly framework provides. They are building for the big banks and the big firms. Let's talk tokenomics. The ABT token is the native utility lifeblood of the ArcBlock universe. Unlike many other tokens that are purely speculative, ABT is designed to have a constant, functional demand within the system. To use the various Blocklet services or to call APIs across the network, the system utilizes ABT. This creates a direct link between network growth and token utility. Every transaction matters. Validators and developers stake ABT to provide mission-critical services to the ecosystem, ensuring that the apps running on ArcBlock remain fast and secure. Staking secures the network's future. Holders of ABT have a say in the protocol's future, voting on technical upgrades and ecosystem fund allocations. It's a truly decentralized, community-driven project where your voice counts. With a circulating supply of approximately 98.5 million tokens and no further inflation, the scarcity of ABT is one of its most compelling features. As demand grows and supply stays fixed, the math becomes very interesting. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Our proprietary AI at Crypto AI Predictor has been processing millions of data points across the entire crypto ecosystem to find the next big move. Our neural networks are picking up a foundation premium signal. This happens when a platform becomes so easy to use that it becomes the default choice for a specific sector, in this case, AI-native dApps. The numbers are speaking. As millions of new users and enterprises enter the market during the bull run, the demand for no-code and low-code blockchain solutions is expected to reach an all-time high. ArcBlock is perfectly positioned to capture this wave. Our models have compared ArcBlock's trajectory to the early growth phases of major cloud computing platforms that successfully simplified complex server technology for the masses. We are seeing a very similar pattern here. When we project these variables into a full-scale bull market scenario, factoring in the low circulating supply and the massive AI narrative tailwinds, the AI identifies a historic technical objective. The predicted price target is $3. Why is the $3 target the objective? Reaching this level would represent a total revaluation of ArcBlock, moving its market cap into the elite tier of decentralized infrastructure. It's a leap from a hidden gem to a market leader. This isn't just a speculative number. It represents a valuation where the ABT token reflects its status as the primary fuel for the world's first AI-integrated blockchain factory. Its valuation based on real utility. At $3, the market cap would align with the valuations seen by other top-tier developer platforms during their peak adoption phases in previous bull runs. It is a realistic, data-driven objective for a project this advanced. Our AI suggests that the path to this target will be driven by the integration era, where every major fintech company and AI startup realizes they need a quantum-safe, modular home like ArcBlock to secure their digital future. The move is coming. ArcBlock is a vision of a future where the blockchain is invisible and powerful. It provides the tools that turn complex code into simple, life-changing applications. It's the technology of tomorrow, available today. In the next bull run, the projects that make life easier for builders are the ones that will lead the charts. Keep a close eye on the new Blocklet launches and the expansion of the AGNA AI agent count on the mainnet. Those are the true indicators of success. We are watching the data every single day to keep you ahead of the market. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this valuable. See you in